So this video consists of explanation of proportion and continued proportion with examples. There are 15 questions from your book ML Agarwal Solved. Please go through them nicely, and the questions which I have solved are here on the screen. 4 non-zero quantities A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. That is, A by B should be equal to C by D. We write it as A is to B, C is to D. This is how we write. We write this ratio as A is to B, C is to D. For example, 3, 4, 6, 8 are in proportion since 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 8. If you simplify this, 2 3s are 2 4s are both are equivalent fractions. A, B, C, D are called terms of proportion. Always remember, terms here. A and D, that is first and fourth, are called extremes terms. Second and third, B, C, that is second and third, are called means. Means the middle terms. This you have to keep in mind. Extremes and these are means. And if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then AD is equal to BC. That is, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Remember, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then D is called the fourth proportional. This you should know. Now it is continued proportion. The quantities, it should be non-zero, of same kind A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, are said to be in continued proportion if A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to, and so on. But since we are going to deal with only 3 terms mostly, so 3 quantities, since we are going to deal with this, of same kind A, B, C are said to be in continuous proportion if A by B is equal to B by C. For example, 1, 2 and 4 are in continued proportion since 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. The middle term is repeated twice. So for example, 1, 2 and 4, 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. Now, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A is called the first proportional, B is called the mean proportional, and you know A by B is equal to B by C. Therefore, B square is equal to AC. That is, the mean proportion is square root of the first and the third term. And C is called the third proportion. We are going to deal with this. I'll explain you this with the example. Always remember, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, B is called the mean proportion to AC. We have done that. Now B square is equal to AC. But here the main thing is, mean proportion between two numbers is the positive square root of their product. Since ratio is taken between positive numbers, we take only the positive square root. This has to be kept in mind. A few examples. Find the fourth proportional to 1.5, 2.5, 4.5. So 1.5 is to 2.5 is to 4.5 is to x. So 1.5 by 2.5 is 4.5 by x. Simplify it. 5 3s are 5 5s are 15 by 25. Remove the decimal. Cross multiplication and you get x as 7.5. This is the answer. This is question number 4/4. Find the mean proportion of. So we know that the mean proportion be x. So first a minus b by x is equal to x by this. Or we can also write x square is equal to a minus b. Now what is common here? It is a square. I can write here a minus b. X square is a square into, or x is equal to square root of x is equal to a into a minus b. This is the answer. Here I have to find the third proportion. So this becomes the mean proportion. I'll convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. It is 7 and the third proportion is x. That means 7 square is equal to 21 by 4 into x. You know why? Because 21 by 4 by 7 is equal to 7 by x. So x is equal to 7 into 7 into 4 by 21. It is 28 by 3. That is 9, 1 by 3. This is the answer. So this is a very important question. Now, two numbers we have to find. Let the two numbers be x and y. Mean proportion between them is 28. So x by 28 is 28 by y. Product of extremes is equal to the product of the middle numbers. Right? So xy is equal to 28 into 28. Now 224 is a third proportion. So x by y is y by 224, or x is equal to this. Next step. Now what I'll do is, from here I'll make x the subject of the formula. 28 into 28 by y. Since xy is equal to 28 into 28. X is also this. So I will write here y square by 224 is equal to 28 into 28 by y. So I write here y cube is 224. Now, no need to multiply and waste your time. This is art of calculation. I need one more 28 to make it perfect cube. 28 into 8. 8 is already a perfect cube. So I will write this as 28 cube into 2 cube. So y is equal to 28 into 2, which is 56. Now to find this, I can use either this or this. So we know that xy is equal to 28 into 28. We know this. So x is equal to 28 into 28 by y. $56. So x is 14 and y is 56. That is, the two numbers are 14 and 56. This is the final answer. Exercise 7.2, question number 6. Now what number should be added? So the number to be added I have taken as x. Let the number added be x. To each of the numbers, 5 plus x, 11 becomes 11 plus x, 19 becomes 19 plus x, 37 plus x. Since they are in proportion, so 5 plus x divided by 11 plus x should be equal to 19 plus x by 37 plus x. It's a property of proportion. A, B, C, D, A by B is equal to C by D. So normal cross multiplication. And after calculation, you get the value x as 2. If you want, you can check. 5 plus 2 is 7, 11 plus 2 13. 19 plus 2 is 21, 37 plus 2 is 39. You want, you can check. That is 5 plus 2 is 7, 11 plus 2 is 13, 19 plus 2 21, 37 plus 2 39. So 3 7s are 3 13s are. You want, you can check. Don't write here, rough. In rough you check. Similar kind of question, but this time they are in continued proportion. Last time it was in proportion. Again, what number should be added? I have taken the number as x. Number 16 becomes 16 plus x, 26 becomes 26 plus x, 40 becomes 40 plus x. Continued proportion means 16 plus x by 26 plus x is equal to 26 plus x by 40 plus x. So A by B is equal to B by C. Normal equation. After solving, you get the value of x as 9. You can check 16 plus 9, 25, 26 plus 9, 35, 35 by 40 plus 9, 49, 5 by 7, 7 5s are 7 7s are. Answer is right. This is checking. Don't do here, do it in rough copy, rough page. Now this kind of question is important. Y is a mean proportional between x and z. So y square is equal to hz. I have to prove this. I'll take LHS. Left hand side is given here. Now what I do? I write this way, xz, this together into y. Xz is y square, I write it here. Y square into y is y cube. So we know that a cube, b cube is ab whole cube. So from here I get this. A cube into b cube is ab whole cube. Now I multiply this, y into x, xy, y into y, y square, y into z, yz. And we know that y square is equal to xz. So this is the required. It is proved. This is proved. But this is a little different thing. Here, this is given and this is given, and we have to prove A, B, C, D are in proportion. So for this, we have to prove A by B is equal to C by D. That means M is not there in the proof. So we need to eliminate M has to be eliminated. So here M is equal to A plus C by B. Here A by B plus C by B. I have made M the subject of the formula here. Similarly here, cross multiplication C into is equal to M. So C into 1 by B, C by B, this is C by D. Both are equal. So this is equal to this. I simplify. This gets cancelled and I get A by B is equal to C by D. So A, B, C, D are in proportion. You need to practice this. Clear? Now this is question number 16, second. This is given and we have to prove this. So let this be equal to K. So X is equal to AK, Y is equal to BK and Z is equal to CK. Now LHS, copy this LHS. You cannot write both together. So in place of X you will write AK, Y BK and Z CK. Here also X AK, Y BK, Z CK. Now you simplify, this is A square K square. So if you multiply this, it becomes A to the power 4 and K square. Plus same thing here also and same thing here also. Don't ignore this 3. This cube, should not ignore this. Students, they forget to write this cube. So after simplifying, we get this expression. I take K square common, K common from here. I get this, this gets cancelled. K square by K is K, K cube is equal to K cube LHS. This gets cancelled. K square by K is K and this is K cube. Now RHS is this. RHS is this. I've copied it here. X is equal to AK, Y is equal to BK, that is CK. Simplify this and you get RHS also K cube. So LHS is equal to RHS. This is proved. Clear? So this is question number 17, fourth part, exercise 7.2. This is given. So I'll take this as K. So A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK and E is equal to FK. LHS, I've copied it from here. BDF, this is BDF. So in place of A, I will write BK, C, I will write DK, E, I will write FK. B is common, here D is common, here F is common. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. I get here 3K plus 3 whole cube. Now here 3 is common, K plus 1, this is whole cube. So this is 3 cube into K plus 1 whole cube. I am telling because students, they get confused here. A cube, B cube is AB whole cube. Same thing I have written, 3 is common here. So 3 cube into K plus 1 whole cube. 3 cube is 27, BDF K plus 1 whole cube. Right? RHS I have copied it from here. This is RHS, I have copied it from here. Again A is BK, C is DK, E is FK. B is common here, D is common here, F is common here. So BDF K plus 1 whole cube. RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So once again I am telling you here to make you understand, 3K plus 3 whole cube. I am telling you because students, they have problem here. K plus 1, it is 3 cube and cube. Right? And then I have written here. This is just to make you understand. So 19th question. A, B, C, D are in proportion. So they are in proportion. It means A by B is equal to C by D. Because this is the reason. We can write AD is equal to BC, cross multiplication. This is the question, LHS, left hand side. So what I'll do here, directly I'll multiply first. This into this, plus this into this, plus this into this, plus I wrote it like this. Now if I cancel, I get BCD by A. Here I get ACD by B. Here ABD by C. ABC by D. Now I make a group because BC is equal to AD. So all group of BC and AD from here, AD from here and BC from here. Because in place of BC I will write down AD. Here BC, here BC, here AD. So here A will get cancelled, I get D square. Here B will get cancelled, I get C square. Here C will get cancelled, I get B square. And here D will get cancelled, I get A square. So this is LHS. Once again here. So here BC is equal to AD. AD is equal to BC. AD is BC and BC is AD. So A will get cancelled. D square is left, here B, C square is left, here B square and here A square. LHS is equal to A square, B square, C square, D square. And this is RHS also. I have to prove this. So it is proved here. Since A, B, C are in continued proportion, A by B is equal to B by C. Let A by B is equal to B by C is equal to K. Now, B by C is equal to K. Therefore, B is equal to CK. I need this. This is very important for me. Now, A by B is also equal to K. So, A is equal to BK. And A is equal to, what is B? B CK. CK into K. So A is equal to CK square. This also I need, very very important for me. So we have to prove this. LHS is A plus B by B plus C. A is equal to CK square. B is equal to CK. B is equal to CK. So I'll take CK common. K plus 1 by C K plus 1. Cancelled. So K. So RHS is equal to this. So RHS is equal to this. A is equal to CK square. CK square whole square. And B is equal to CK minus C. B square CK whole square into CK square minus CK. CK square whole square is C square K to the power 4. C is common here, K minus 1. C square K square, CK common here, K minus 1. This will get cancelled. I get here C cube K to the power 4 by C cube K cube. K to the power 4 by K cube is equal to K to the power 4 minus 3, which is equal to K. So RHS is also K, LHS is also K. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS is equal to K. Proved. Since A, B, C are in continued proportion, A by B is equal to B by C, and that is equal to B square is equal to AC. Now I have selected right hand side because this is more complicated. I have to move from more complicated to less complicated. That is what I feel. Now I have copied right hand side. I can write this B square is AC. Here AC whole square. In place of B square I have written AC here. So A by AC cube, AC is B square. So B by B square whole square plus C by A cube C. So A gets cancelled, 1 by C cube, B square whole square is B to the power 4 plus this will get cancelled, I get 1 by A cube. So this is 1 by C cube, here 1 by B cube. If I cancel this, minus 1, and this is 1 by A cube. Therefore, RHS is equal to 1 by A cube, 1 by B cube plus 1 by C cube. So, RHS is equal to LHS. So, I can also write RLHS is equal to RHS. You can write here, since B square is equal to AC. Here. And here, since AC is equal to B square. Continued proportion. Again, continued proportion. I'll have to prove this. Same way, A is equal to BK, A is equal to BK, B by C is K, B is equal to CK, and C is equal to DK. So, since B is equal to CK, in place of C I will write DK. So, B becomes DK square, this is important for me. And A is equal to BK and B is equal to DK square. So, I convert all A, B, C in terms of D and K. So A cube, A is DK cube. I'm going to use this DK cube into cube. B is equal to DK square into cube. And C is DK. Same thing here also, B is DK square, C is DK, and D will remain D. So simplifying, D cube K to the power 9, here D cube K to the power 6, D cube K cube. Similarly here also. What is common? D cube K cube. K to the power 6, this is common. This will get cancelled, and LHS, I get K cube. Once again here, I have replaced A with DK cube, B with DK square, C DK. After simplifying, this gets cancelled here, and this also gets cancelled, and I get K cube. RHS is A by D. RHS is A by D. So A is DK cube by D. LHS is equal to RHS, both equal to K cube. So ABC are in continued proportion. So we know A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D. I'll take first two. I get B square is equal to AC. B by C is equal to C by D. So C square is equal to BD. And A by B is equal to C by D. So AD is equal to BC. I need these three information. After that, now I'll start solving the problem. LHS. I'll copy this. Normal multiplication. AB plus AC plus BD plus CD minus this one also. This gets cancelled. This also gets cancelled. Now we have AC plus BD minus AD minus BC. Now what is AC? AC is B square. BD is C square. AD is BC. All has to be converted in terms of B and C. That is there in the proof. So I write here minus 2BC, which is equal to B minus C whole square. You'll find here AC, B square is AC. So AC is B square, BD is C square, AD is BC. So proved LHS is equal to RHS. This is the proof.